Okay guys, you are sitting on my makeup tower of stuff, but it's balancing, so we're going with it. It's Tuesday. Today is my last day of finals, and then I'm done for the semester, and then it's like all over, which I'm so happy about. I kind of feel like I'm like losing my voice a little bit, like it just feels really gross, but I'm gonna get ready. I have to run to school and drop off my portfolio for photography. I have to submit my photography thing. I have to pick up my portfolio review from a different class, and I also need to return my stack of textbooks, which I didn't even use this semester, which I'm like, okay, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna rent textbooks next semester. I don't know, but that is the game plan. I'm just gonna get ready. I just feel so pale, and I just like want to get like a good start on today. And then I also have my 6 p.m. math class. We have our final in that class, and then we have to like turn in all our homework and everything. Perks of being an art major is you don't have a lot of finals. I think this is like my only like legit final that I have. Everything else was just like a bunch of art projects and like online quizzes, so I'm not complaining. But I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put on some Spotify and just like jam out. I have been loving my fall 2019 playlist. I think I'm gonna rename it though, because it's no longer fall and I still listen to it, but it's just where I put all my favorite songs. But it is listed down below in case you guys want to check it out. If you guys haven't seen my phone case collection, look how cute this is. I'm just rambling now, but I'm gonna start getting ready. Ooh, guys, my mom just texted me. There's a package on our front porch. I'm so excited. We're gonna go open this. Okay, you guys, I have no idea what this is. So it says Doll 10 Proven Beauty Solutions, and it's this really pretty pink box. I don't know if you guys can see that with the lighting. I'm just gonna open it up. So it says, welcome to the hashtag doll squad where beauty begins with you. Cute pink packaging. I'm a sucker for pink. And then it just says, welcome to the Doll 10 beauty family. I'm excited. I didn't know this was coming. I'm speechless right now. And inside there is this little beauty pouch thing. I'm just gonna set that there. So this is what it looks like. It's like a blush pink. It's like a leathery material, and it just says Doll 10 Beauty. Something's in here. Okay, so we got Doll 10 Beauty Proven Solutions Legendary Lipstick. Let's open this up. Oh, there's 4 of them in here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This is like a little Christmas present. Okay, so the colors are Audrey, Grace, Ava, and Marilyn. Okay. Whoa, that's really pretty. Oh, it kind of looks like my color. Okay, this is in the Marilyn shade. What's this one? This one's Ava. That's pretty. It's kind of like a nice neutral. This one is in the shade Grace. Ooh, I like this one so far the best. And then we have Audrey. Okay, nope, I take it back. This one might be my fave. Wow. Okay. Then we have the Doll 10 Doll Skin. This is an anti-stress skin protector. I definitely need this because I'm feeling very stressed lately. And I got this in the shade Medium. What is it? Oh, I think it's like a BB cream. Wow. Okay, I'm excited. This was so unexpected. Nice color. And then the last box in here is a smoothing concealer. Oh, this is fancy looking. Okay, and I got this in the shade Fair. Kind of reminds me of like Shape Tape applicator from Tarte. All right, was not expecting this today. This is like amazing. Okay, and then we have a few more things in here. So it came with 2 brushes. This is like a 2-sided brush, if you guys can see that. And then it also came with this big fluffy one. This is so cute, and it's pink. Then we have the Doll 10 Liquid H2 Glow, and this is a radiant gel highlighter. I'm a sucker for any sort of highlight. and then a 2-point eyeliner. Okay, I'm really gonna have to step up my eyeliner and learn how to use this. And then we have one more, and this is the Arc Master, which I'm assuming is eyebrows. Wow. Thank you so much, Doll 10, for sending this to me. This was such a surprise. Super cute. Again, love all the pink packaging. So my camera battery is flashing, but I am going to print out my last and final essay for my photography portfolio. Then we're gonna head to school. I gotta return my textbooks, drop this portfolio off, and also pick up my portfolio review. And I don't think I have any other errands besides that, so I have to do that. I'll show you guys my outfit real quick, and then I have to come home, I need to film, and then I have to go take my math final tonight. This is the fit. This week's theme was just solid colors, so it's really simple. The top is from J. Crew. It's one of their favorite tees, which are my favorite tees. And then I just have on some skinny jeans from American Eagle. They're a light wash, and then I do on some riding boots just to kind of throw the outfit together. Super simple, but I like it. And then I just have on Daniel Wellington watch, which I am in love with. It's my new fave. I don't even have any rings on or anything yet, so I'm gonna accessorize, and then I'm gonna pack my bag and go run these errands. I'm gonna put all my textbooks into this bag. Seems fitting. Solid. Okay. Put that over here so I don't forget it. My Christmas tree fell over. Oh no, this isn't working out. This is okay. I just threw on this coat from Shein, and I got my bag. We're gonna go run some errands, you guys. It's gonna be exciting. Okay, you guys, I just got out of campus. I returned my textbooks. It was surprisingly super easy. I'm so happy they have like the renting textbook option, just because I feel like it's so expensive to buy them. Like, it was expensive renting them, and especially since I didn't use them, but that was super easy. I was kind of scared it was going to be a lot harder since I didn't have the receipt and everything. And then I stopped by one of my professors' area to drop off this portfolio, and then I also picked up my letter to see if I passed my semester. I kind of knew I would since I had straight A's. Like, I wasn't worried about it, but like, you have to have their like letter, it's called a green light, to pass and move on to the next semester of this program. So I'm super excited. I passed, I got a green light. It just sounds so funny, but yeah, they just like critique you and like write this little letter about like what you need to improve on, what you're doing well and everything. So my letter was very nice. So now I'm headed to FedEx because my mom picked up the wrong shoes. She bought them off, I think, Amazon, I'm not really sure, and she's like, can you run these to the FedEx for me to return them? So I said sure. I'm gonna stop by McDonald's and get a Diet Coke as well because I have to film and I need some caffeine in me. But it's just been a great day so far. I feel like really productive, and then later tonight I have to go back to campus to take my math final, which is gonna be so easy, and then I'm gonna hit the gym and hopefully get to bed early tonight. That is the game plan. Oh my gosh, you guys, McDonald's is crazy busy. I just want a Diet Coke. There's just something about McDonald's Diet Cokes. Just hits differently. Best $7 spent. I'm on my way to FedEx, and then we're gonna start filming. I'm gonna have this for lunch, have my Diet Coke, and I'm probably just gonna watch a YouTube video and then start working again. This flavor is seriously so good. It is the peanut butter chocolate chip one. So good, in case you guys are looking for a good snack. So, right. Okay, and so I just changed into a sweater and put this little necklace on because I'm gonna film a Q&A video, which I think will go up before this vlog, which is so much fun, and I have to like figure out the tripod and everything. And I tried out the new Doll 10 lipstick. This is the one in the shade Grace. I'm wearing it right now. It looks a lot like the lipstick I've been wearing all year from Profusion in the matte bare shade, but the consistency is so creamy. It feels so nice on. I feel like it's like really moisturizing my lips right now, so I'm excited to try all the other ones out. Let's gonna be a good time. I just wanted to mention, I know Vlogmas is all about like the vlogs and everything, and the last week I didn't really upload a lot of vlogs, but that is gonna be changing. I'm gonna be posting a lot more of them before Christmas and everything. It's just like last week was my finals week, and like I had all these projects due and everything, and it was just like so crazy. I was so overly stressed that I just didn't think I could handle vlogging on top of that. So I hope you guys understand and get excited, because there's gonna be lots of vlogs coming up very soon, and I just wanted to tell you guys that because I feel like it was like, why aren't you uploading vlogs during Vlogmas? But that's why. But I'm gonna sit down and film this video real quick, and then I will update you guys after that. Time to edit. Okay guys, I just finished filming the Q&A. I'm gonna edit it. It's gonna go up the day before this video. And oh my gosh, I've been so busy with homework that I haven't been editing until like 9 p.m. and the videos have been going up so late, but hopefully gonna get back on my early video game. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just submitted and turned in my last final project for this semester, which was my photography class. It feels so weird, like the semester is literally over. I just have to go take my last final tonight. So crazy. It's like so much stress is just gone now. I'm so happy. It's gonna be such a great winter break. I have like a month off. I'm curious how long your winter break is and when it starts, so let me know in the comments down below if you have a winter break. I don't have to go back until like the middle of January, which is so excited to have time off and catch up on sleep. The last 2 weeks have been very stressful, but it's okay. It's like over now. But I am just gonna get ready. I have to leave for class in like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go take my last final. I'm gonna ace it. It's gonna be great. And then it's winter break. I'm so happy, and I already finished editing my video for today, so I have to get that uploaded. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Alright guys, I'm in my car. I'm on my way to my math class. I'm so excited. This is my final for math, my final class of the semester. It's so crazy. I finished turning everything in. My video is at home exporting, so that probably won't go up till 6:37, but after this I don't have any more homework to do, so my video game should be a lot stronger, which I'm so happy about. But I haven't missed a day yet, so I'm really proud of myself for that. And I'm so excited. Vlogmas has been a lot of fun. I'm just excited to start vlogging since I'm like not stressed out of my mind anymore. But we're on my way to class. I'm gonna jam out. It's getting kind of dark, so I don't know how much vlog footage I will get, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna hit the gym after class tonight too. Probably go for a power walk. I had my, this is so TMI, but I had my like follow-up appointment about my toe because I messed it up, and he's like, take it easy, but you can go back to working out. So I signed up for spin class tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't worked out in like a month, even though it's only been 2 weeks, but just the little things in life, I guess. Whoops, my V. I totally forgot to end yesterday's vlog. I went to the gym once I got home from classes and then just completely crashed. I think it was like finally setting in that I'm on winter break and I have no more homework or anything. It was just great. I watched a movie on Netflix. It was like some Christmas movie. I don't know. If you guys have any movie recommendations, let me know. But this is the end of the vlog. I'm going to be uploading a new vlog tomorrow, so definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified. I'm so excited because the vlogs are back and I'm just like on winter break. It's such a good feeling. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the vlogs, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys.